Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to bring the tutorial of Adobe Animate. So if you want to make the animation, if you want to be an animator, so that is your goal. It is simple. You have to install your machine in Adobe Animate, right? So let's go to the file. After that, new, click on it. Here there is various options are there. At the moment, I'm going to click character animation. Select as it is as Adobe Action Strip 3. This is the newest one. Frame rate, if you put it here 24, you have to make it as 12. It is smoothly. We have to work on the animation. Frames frame size we have to keep as it is as a default one, right? So the first time. Here this one, what is the thing is here you have to make the video of video animation. So if it is HD, you have to select as here HD. Let's select as HD format. Okay, so you have to select as HD 4K. There are various choices are there. You can select one of these according to the client's requirements, right? So click on it. Right. Okay, so that's okay. So let's zoom out. Here that click on it. I'm going to click on it here. Frame size 50. Okay, 50 screen. Okay. So you hold on your control key down and you have to scroll your mouse wheel. So you have to simply zoom in, zoom out. You can simply have to arrange your screen size. What you need according to the screen size, you can make the animation. So simply you can see after I open the Adobe Animate, you can see there's a called assets. You click on assets, right? If the asset is not there, here it's not there, go to the Windows menu, Windows option, assets. The assets, you can see where this is the character animations. This animation is already given by Adobe Animate. Okay, so this already the animation is working on it. So you no need to think if you want to make the cartoon or something animations for your school or anything else, you have to like this way, right? So you have to make it this one. Now click on it and drag and drop it, right? So that character will be imported here, right? So if you play that role here, it's working here, it is working, right? Here this bike is working here. Press enter key on your keyboard. Here the bike is working, right? So you have to now the bike is working. Now I want to move into where I want to move this bike into this point to, I'm going to this here, it's coming here, I'm going to move into here. So select the frame, this is a frame here. I want to increase the frame size here 70, right click, insert keyframe, right? What is the meaning of insert keyframe? This is the keyframe starting, this is the keyframe. You have to, this keyframe starting from number 1, end from 70, select end 70. I want to move this character into, or then the shift key down and move the character into over here. So the animation is starting over here, stop over here, right? Okay, so in between 1 frame to 70 frame, what you're going to do is right click on it, select as create classic tip. Now you can play the animation. Control plus enter on your keyboard. It is not smoothly, it is very fast. Yeah, it's very fast, we can't see. Okay, so it is not good. What you're going to do is now here, what you're going to do is here, you have to, here it is very fast, it's going very fast. So what you're going to do is here smoothly, here what you're going to do is I'm going to increase the frame rate a little bit. Click on it, select this one, you have to select over here keyframe. If you increase the keyframe and check it what happened, again control plus enter key. Now you can see the movement. Got it? Okay, it is now, it's working. Got it? That's how that character animation will be work. Okay, so if it is slow down, it is slow down here. it's slow down. This increase the frame rate. Okay, so if this again you have to write like this, it is slow down here. So smoothly it's working. Okay, so simply it's make the animation very simple. Okay, so once you make the project, once you make the animations on your okay, so your character animation, something else, any animation, you can use this all the objects are very free, you will be able to use it. So this simple one. Okay, so this is a simple one. So if you want to make the road, simply you have to go to that your Google and type on it road. Road web cart. Okay, so you have to get the road. Select one of this one not appropriate for your animation. So your animation is going like this way or this way. Or you have to get one of these. This one, this, oh, whatever. Okay, right. Okay, I'll bring this one. There are many designs are there. So I'm going to get on it. This is I think this is not free. This is a free one. Which one is good? Let's select this or this. Let's select this. Okay, this is a completely free one. So I want to select which one is good. Okay, so let's select this one, right? So which one? This one should be the paid one, so we can't take it. This one is a paid one. Right, this is the one. Let's take this one. Okay, let's click download it. Okay, you have to wait until the download process completed, then only we will be able to access this image. Okay, so first you have to, before you have to download it, first you have to check on this character with that background is matching or not. First you have to tick, right? That's the best way. Okay, when you do the creativity is must. Okay, so right click and place on it the animation house. Let's click on it, and this is the one. Okay, so I'm going to, this is like a frame. Okay, so you have to bring the frame again. This is a frame, new layer. So layer, you have to drag below of this girl bike. Here double click on it. Here you have to write the background. Simply you have to name it as background, then only understand what is the things are going on. Select this frame, this background, I'm going to place it on it here. If you are clear, if you drag and drop it, it is important here. This coming. Okay, now you have to arrange the size. Press Q on your keyboard. Q mean, this is the things Q mean. It is a free transform. Hold on the shift key and alt key down. Okay, so mouse you have to adjust size. Hold on the shift key and mouse wheel down, and you have to arrange the size. Okay, so now it's fit on the screen. So it's not fit on the screen. Let's arrange them. Hold on shift key down. Right, that movement is right. Okay, it is correct. Right, this is no problem. It is when you import it, this only the screen will be working. Okay, rest of the things you don't bother about the rest of the area. Okay, you don't bother about only the screen as animation is working. Now let's select this one. That animation is playing over here. You are fit on the screen. Okay, timeline. Right, set coming and this going simply fit on the screen. It is coming. Okay, so it's not the road. This is not a road. Road is here. Coming the road. here this animation is playing. This rod is, now you can see this girl is playing. Now you can press the alt plus an animation here. Simply you have to done the animation here. You have to play the simple animation. It's very simple. This is the animation you can make on it. Okay, so very simple animation. You have to, congratulations, you have to make the very simple animations using Adobe Animate. Thank you for watching.